At Saxon Insurance Brokers, we insure property renovations the right way. Unfortunately, time and time again, we seem to be the last point of call for a panicking client who has just discovered that their existing household insurer wants them off cover immediately due to their work starting. It's our job to educate these clients and make sure they are covered from day one with the correct insurance. At Saxon, we insure a variety of projects, including standard and residential commercial properties, non-standard constructions that can include thatch roofs and pre-1800 year of builds, for example, all grade listed properties, properties which are undergoing extensive structural excavation work, properties requiring underpinning, and properties that have required and suffered from a poor claims history in the past. And one of the most important aspects of any renovation project, something unfortunately we see overlooked, in my opinion, is party wall and non-negligent protection. A snapshot of the coverage includes full cover for existing structures, contract works coverage for the full duration of the project, including fees, contracts, and VAT. Contracts that require policies to be in joint names with a lead contractor. We have property owners' liability ranging from £2 million to £10 million. Additional party wall insurance and non-negligent liability is optional as we go to an additional underwriter. Protection for any owned or hired in-plant machinery, and advanced loss of rent and loss of interest for commercial properties. All of the policies we offer are most comprehensive all-risk coverage that you will find on the market. Basically, this means that all risks are covered and all potential perils and eventualities are covered under the policy unless excluded. Now, I've got a couple of case studies to show you, and this first one is one of my favourite that we've done. This is a Grade 2 listed Oxfordshire estate, consisting of a mansion, 3 cottages, stables, a tennis court, and 10 outbuildings, all undergoing renovation for the first time in its 120 years history, and has been in the planning for about 2 years. Existing structures for the total estate was 10.62 million. Contract works value was 12.47 million, and a contract length of 18 months. The second is a complex case in the heart of West London. Extensive structural work was needed, including basement excavations for a terraced Grade 2 listed property. We had to source an additional 1 million of party wall liability to protect both the neighbours due to the works that was ongoing. Existing structures were 1.2 million. The contract works value was 1.45 million, and a total contract length of 20 months. And my final and another one of my favourite jobs we've done was a full renovation of a 16th century Grade 2 listed public house that consists of 6 different structures, all with thatch roofs to be converted into a private estate. 1.45 million was the rebuild, the contract value was 1.16 million, and a contract length of 14 months. So why Saxon? We're a leading market specialist with over 20 years experience. Our team are always available via the phone, via email, and all methods of contact, because unfortunately we know clients' claims don't happen between 9 to 5 Monday to Friday. We specialise in high value, high risk projects, and as a result we have a 95% conversion rate on all quotes that we complete. Thank you, and I hope this gives you a very clear idea as to what we can offer you and your important clients. We love to add service and value in everything we do at Saxon. Please let me know when it's a good, convenient time so we can have a follow-up and discuss everything that your client needs. Thank you.